Understanding finance is crucial for everyone, regardless of age or background. It helps us manage our money effectively and make informed decisions. Without a basic grasp of financial principles, we may find ourselves struggling to meet our financial goals. Everyone deals with money in their daily lives, whether it's earning, spending, saving, or investing. Knowing how to handle these aspects can lead to a more secure and prosperous life. Financial literacy empowers us to make choices that positively impact our financial well-being. By learning the basics, we can avoid common financial pitfalls and make wiser decisions. This essay will cover the fundamentals of budgeting, saving, and investing, providing practical tips to help you master your money. Budgeting is the foundation of financial management. It involves creating a plan for how to spend and save your money. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you live within your means. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money goes and end up overspending. To start budgeting, list all your sources of income and expenses. Compare your income to your expenses to see where your money is going. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, set aside money for savings and investments. Prioritize essential expenses and cut down on unnecessary ones. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself, but making sure your spending aligns with your financial goals. A good budget is realistic and flexible, allowing you to adjust as your financial situation changes. Budgeting also helps you prepare for unexpected expenses. Regularly reviewing and updating your budget ensures it remains effective and relevant to your current financial situation. Saving money is an essential aspect of financial health. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses and helps you achieve your financial goals. Without savings, you may find yourself relying on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt. Building a habit of saving money can lead to long-term financial stability and security. Start by setting a savings goal, such as an emergency fund or a down payment for a house. Having a clear goal makes it easier to stay motivated. Determine how much you can save each month and save consistently. Consider automating your savings with a direct transfer from your checking to your savings account each month. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates, helping your money grow faster. Saving money also involves being mindful of your spending. Look for ways to cut costs, such as cooking at home instead of eating out or canceling unused subscriptions. Every dollar saved contributes to your financial goals. Remember, the goal is to make saving a priority, not an afterthought. By saving regularly, you can build a financial cushion for the future. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth over time. It involves putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate with the expectation of earning a return. Unlike saving, which offers a fixed interest rate, investing can provide higher returns, though it comes with risks. Before you start investing, it's important to understand the different types of investments and their risks. Diversification is key to successful investing. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. For example, instead of putting all your money into stocks, you could invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's also important to invest for the long term. The stock market can be unpredictable in the short term, but historically it has provided strong returns over the long term. Start investing as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest. Section 5. Managing debt. Debt management is a critical component of financial health. While some debt, like a mortgage or student loans, can be considered good debt, other types, like credit card debt, can be detrimental if not managed properly. Understanding how to handle debt is essential for maintaining financial stability. The first step in managing debt is to know exactly how much you owe. Make a list of all your debts, including the interest rates and monthly payments. This will give you a clear picture of your total debt and help you prioritize which debts to pay off first. High-interest debts, like credit card balances, should be at the top of your list. Creating a repayment plan is crucial. Allocate extra money towards paying off high-interest debts while making minimum payments on others. By staying disciplined and focused, you can reduce your debt and improve your financial situation. Section 6. Emergency funds. An emergency fund is a crucial part of financial planning. It serves as a financial cushion to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt when faced with unforeseen costs. The recommended amount for an emergency fund is 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start by setting a goal and gradually building your fund. Even saving a small amount regularly can add up over time. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account. Regularly review and adjust your emergency fund as your financial situation changes. Maintaining a well-funded emergency account provides peace of mind and financial security. Section 7. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is an essential part of financial management. It involves setting aside money during your working years to ensure that you can maintain your lifestyle when you stop working. The earlier you start planning for retirement, the more you can take advantage of compound interest and tax benefits. Begin by establishing your retirement goals. Consider the lifestyle you want to maintain and estimate your expenses in retirement. Take advantage of retirement accounts such as 401, KEs, and IRAs, which offer tax benefits and employer contributions. Consistently contribute to your retirement accounts. Aim to save at least 15% of your income for retirement. Regularly review your retirement plan to ensure you're on track. Adjust your contributions and investment strategy as needed. By planning ahead, you can enjoy a comfortable and secure retirement. Section 8. Practical examples and tips. Applying financial principles in real life can sometimes be challenging. Here are some practical examples and tips to help you manage your money more effectively. For instance, when budgeting, use the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. When saving money, look for opportunities to cut costs without sacrificing quality. For example, cook meals at home instead of dining out, or buy generic brands instead of name brands. Use cashback apps and loyalty programs to get rewards for your purchases. In terms of investing, start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Focus on long-term growth rather than quick profits. Use windfalls, such as tax refunds or bonuses, to make extra debt payments. Section 9. Financial tools and resources. There are many tools and resources available to help you manage your finances. Budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB can help you track your income and expenses. For saving and investing, consider using online platforms like Robinhood or Acorns. High-yield savings accounts from online banks like Ally or Marcus offer better interest rates than traditional banks. Credit monitoring services like Credit Karma can help you keep track of your credit score and report. Maintaining a good credit score is important for getting favorable loan terms and interest rates. Educational resources like books, podcasts, and online courses can further your financial knowledge. Continually educating yourself about finance will help you make better financial decisions. Section 10. Encouraging financial literacy. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey. It's important to continually educate yourself and apply what you learn to your financial life. Share your knowledge with others, whether it's family, friends, or colleagues. By promoting financial literacy, you can help others achieve financial stability and success. Encourage children and young adults to learn about money management early. Teaching them the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing can set them up for a lifetime of financial health. Schools and communities can play a vital role in providing financial education. Stay informed about changes in the financial landscape. Economic conditions, tax laws, and investment opportunities can change over time. By committing to financial literacy, you can create a more secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones.